Today I'd like to talk to you about the Electrolux TRS family of vegetable slicers. The one we have here today is the TRS 24. There are three models part of the family, a TRS 22, 23, and 24. And they all vary with increasing horsepower levels to the demand that you choose and the menu recipes that your customers have to deal with in their kitchens. So the more rigorous the process, the more dense the product, the higher the horsepower machine that we recommend, and thus today we're presenting to you the highest horsepower machine, which is the TRS 24. This particular machine was revamped a few years ago and improved in several ways. The first one is that everything, all components that are in contact with food, are now dishwasher safe and 100% sanitizable, which means that your pusher, your cutting chamber, which are both now in stainless steel, your ejection chamber and your ejection plate, which are made out of plastic, these four components, 1, 2, 3, and 4, with extracting the pin, are all dishwasher safe. The remaining parts of the unit, which house the motor, have a waterproof control panel and can be wiped down so that no food is left over into food-bearing zones. The TRS vegetable slicer is defined as a single speed machine. So you will only have a green on button and a red off button. The power source button indicates that power is supplied to the unit and will remain lit as long as the unit is plugged in. The additional feature that we've added to this machine is the pulse button, which allows you to pulse the blade to finish off any product that's still left inside the cutting chamber. In addition, we've enlarged the cutting chamber so that now you can fit larger potatoes for slicing, dicing, shredding, or you can cut a full head of lettuce down the middle and insert both halves of the lettuce into the 80% moon that now is the cutting chamber. I'd like to also draw your attention to the fact that our TRS vegetable slicers are always inclined on a 45-degree incline. The incline helps vegetables eject from the machine without bruising them. The TRS vegetable slicer for us is the most precise cutter that we offer within the family. And having gravity help eject vegetables will allow your vegetables not to only be included into recipes, but also as garnishes. So we avoid bruising, therefore the accelerated process of rotting of the vegetables. The last thing I want to draw your attention to are the brand new blades that are part of the TRS and TRK families. We have now changed all of our blades from the previous generation of cast aluminum housing and stainless blade to now full stainless steel. So the actual disc is stainless steel as well as the stainless steel knife. The other thing that I want to draw your attention to on the blades is that we have gone away from any of our straight blade configurations to now curved blades. Curved blades mimic precisely the manual cutting process of what a chef will do in a kitchen when he manually cuts vegetables. So we want to mimic as closely and as precisely as possible what a chef is doing manually in an automatic process. So all of our blades now, including all of our shredding blades, julienne blades, slicing blades, and dicing grids are now fully dishwasher safe and fully 100% sanitizable.